Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you most beautiful shower curtain designs. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to our channel then don't forget to subscribe it. Beautiful shower curtains idea could help you to decorate your bathroom and it even create more comfortable feels. And look if you adopt the right one. Frequently we found that bathroom area is constructed with a small area and there is no space for moving properly. We do not give a importance to the bathroom area and most of the cases we forget about it. To utilize the space for the bathroom properly and save the space for the shower curtain ideas. Look, larger and spacious bathroom curtains play an important role within it. The highly overlooked area when it comes to decor in the bathroom. People usually do not put much effort into designing the bathroom, and when going for redoing the bathroom, they often ignore the shower curtain. But the truth is that shower curtain can provide a versatile decor and a beautiful look that you may never have imagined you wanted. Here are top 100 modern and unique shower curtain design ideas. Add a combination of different colors to the bathroom with a white, grey and black colored shower curtain to match the simple and monochromatic white color of the bathroom. This will not only look elegant but will also add a pop of beautiful dark color and help in making a statement. This is a clear example of the sheer elegance and beauty that you can add to the bathroom. Create a calm and smoothing atmosphere in your bathroom with a relaxing line shower curtain. Natural toned color can change your morning mood. This contemporary decor can, without any doubt, add to the pure elegance of the decor. A shower curtain with an earthy design or a floral print can add positivity to you every morning with the bright colors. Go for the polyester fabric to add a touch of whimsy to the bathroom. Pair this with a little flower at the side of the bathroom and make it natural and beautiful look. Sometimes simplicity is what you need to showcase the beauty of the place. Go for a simple curtain with modern prints designed in warm color with blue, grey and any color you like. This classy and vibrant pattern and color gives a beautiful break to the regular decor of the place and bring an elegant touch of the bathroom. Cotton printed shower curtains are never out of the fashion and the print break the monochromatic look and are the perfect thing you can see in the morning. The fun print will make your day fresh and the multiple colors will feel delightful and fun. These prints such as anchor, fish, natural elements etc. can the game changer. You can also find a shower curtain according to the feature of the bathroom, as well as depending upon who uses it. If it is a children's bathroom, then going over the top with huge designs and color is allowed. But when it comes to the adult bathroom, you need to follow some fashion rules. Create a dramatic shower to your bathroom. Dramatic shower curtains are in trend now. People who want to attract or captivate other people definitely try it. You could cooperate window treatment material, decorative sheets, or fabric to make your shower area unique. For adding visual heights and to make your bathroom look larger and spacious, hang the bathroom shower curtains idea as fabric from the ceiling. You feel that the height has increased. Fashionable shower curtains. You could choose a fashionable shower curtains which is more attractive and colorful. You can work with so many options with depending on your bathroom theme. Give a farmhouse feel to your bathroom with this beautiful warm pink shower curtain. Have a sketch of the farmhouse style features such as pumpkins and trucks which enhance the style of the curtains. Frame this beautiful image with rusty stripes to complete the look. This is one of the playful and unique way to welcome the autumn and bring it to your bathroom. Plastic is one of the commonly used material when it comes to the shower curtains. This is a great way to prevent slashing water, and the print is enough to steal the show. This type of curtain is easy to fit anywhere and can also be recommended in a smaller place. Also, the little bubble effect make it look more beautiful and cool. There is nothing more fantastic and relaxing than a witty and funny things to see when you wake up. Try this shower curtain and the first thing that you have in morning is a pretty smile. Match this with bright color and that's it. You won't regret this shower curtain ever. Bathroom shower curtains idea for small bathroom. Choose color and pattern, and you also need to choose good materials for your shower curtains. Bring style to your private room with contemporary shower curtains. This is what you need to define your taste in your home decor, particularly bathroom decoration. It is made of waterproof material that makes sure its durability against water splash. Coming with the road, this curtain is highly practical. Your bathroom window will never be the same again. This blue marine bathroom curtain, aside from protecting your privacy, also brings style to the bathroom. The refreshing blue shades and unique row of tree branches make it a perfect addition for the bathroom. Shower curtains or bathroom separators add drama to your bathroom. And believe it or not, it can increase the bathroom size and make it look more modern and rich. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see lot of more home related videos. And thanks for watching this video.